6 effective exercises for women to lose weight. A sedentary lifestyle, constant stress, and a less than perfect diet, none of this does your body any good. We've put together a quick workout that will help you stay fit and steer clear of any possible future health problems. Number 1. Burpees. Let's start with burpees, shall we? Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body into a squat and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Then, kick your feet back behind you so that you end up in a push-up position. Once you've done that, bring your feet back under you into a squat and jump up as high as you can. We're going to do this exercise for 1 minute straight. Ready? Let's get that heart pumping. If you get into the habit of doing burpees once or twice a week, it'll effectively prevent metabolism deacceleration. Don't strain yourself too much, though. 1 minute for this exercise is enough. A couple more times. Great job! Number 2, squats. Again, start this exercise in a standing position with your feet a bit wider than shoulder width. Your back should be straight. Bend your knees and sit back, kind of like you're sitting in an imaginary chair. As you're doing that, extend your arms straight out in front of you to help keep your balance. It's extremely crucial to keep proper form as you're squatting. Your back should be straight and your knees at a 90-degree angle and in line with your toes. No hunching. Then, come back up. 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. Squats can tone your whole body and improve your flexibility, not to mention how your rear end will look in your favorite jeans. Ten more seconds. Done! Number 3, plank. Planking is seriously a super exercise. It's part of pretty much every training session, and our little workout is no exception. So get down on the floor, place your hands directly under your shoulders, plant your toes firmly on the ground, and squeeze those glutes to stabilize your body. Be sure to keep your abs tight and your body in a straight line. Don't let your tummy dip toward the floor. Just hold this position for 30 seconds. Let's get to it. Planking is a pure miracle for fighting and preventing back pain. It's a great way to tone your core because it works the abs, chest, and back muscles. Plus, you can do it almost anywhere, anytime. No special equipment needed. And that's it for the plank. Grab your dumbbells for our next exercise. Number 4, dumbbell push. Stand with your legs straight and your feet shoulder-width apart. Lift the dumbbells over your head until your elbows are locked. From this position, lower the dumbbells out the sides at shoulder level. Then lift them up again. Let's repeat this for 1 minute. And go! Strength training is one of the best ways to prevent chronic joint pain, which usually comes with age. You don't have to spend hours at the gym lifting huge weights though. Doing this exercise just 2 to 3 times a week can completely transform your body. And trust me, you'll like it. One more push, and rest. Number 5, bridge. Lie comfortably on your back with your arms down by your sides, knees bent, and feet planted firmly on the floor. Squeeze your glutes to lift your hips up off the floor and bring them up as high as you can towards the ceiling. Then slowly lower your hips back down. You have 1 minute for this exercise, so let's begin. Bridges, also known as the butt lifts, will open up any tightness in your hips caused by long periods of sitting. This exercise also strengthens your core, improves your posture, and gets that booty in shape. It's a great way to become stronger, fitter, and sexier. And time's up. Take a breather and get ready for your final exercise. Number 6, Y to T raises. Time to bust your dumbbells back out for this one. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lean your torso slightly forward and bend your knees a bit. Then raise your arms up so that your body forms the letter Y. From this position, lower your arms out to the sides and make the letter T. After that, go back to the Y and repeat. But enough talking, let's get right to it. These specific raises strengthen your back and shoulder muscles. They're great at fixing bad posture, which can lead to all sorts of other problems. Don't rush it. Feel the muscles of your body working. You're doing great. Just 10 more seconds. Amazing! Our workout is over. Pat yourself on the back, you did great! As you can see, this workout targets different muscle groups, so come back to this video and do these exercises regularly in order to stay fit and healthy. But don't go just yet. We have some helpful advice for you that you really should hear. First of all, you should make an elliptical your new best friend if you want to have a toned and gorgeous body. And more importantly, it'll help you maintain a healthy heart as well. If you're really looking for a way to improve your health, you need to exercise at 80% of your maximum heart rate for at least 30 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week. For example, on a scale of 1 to 10, if 10 is as hard as you can push yourself, your workouts should always be at least an 8 as far as effort is concerned. And don't underestimate the power of walking either. It's the simplest, most affordable exercise anyone can do. While it burns calories, tones your body, and improves your mood, it's also easy on your joints. Sounds like a win-win to me. And finally, start doing yoga. Yeah, I know, it's all trendy and hyped up, but that's not without reason. Yoga can change your whole perspective on life, body, and mind. In fact, yoga is also known to increase a certain mood-regulating neurotransmitter that plays a pivotal role in fighting depression and lowering stress and anxiety levels. So what are you waiting for? The time is now. What's your secret to staying fit? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you plan on doing these exercises again with us. Share this video with your friends, and if you still haven't done so, subscribe to our channel. Stay with us on the bright side.